Hey everyone, my name is Omar and this is Tamago and Friends. Today we're making orange chicken. Gather your chicken thighs and cut them up into bite-sized inch pieces. You can use chicken breasts, but I recommend using chicken thighs. They taste better. After chopping up all of your chicken, put them inside of a bowl where you're going to create a dredge. For your dredge, you're going to add some flour, rice flour, sake, and 1 egg. Stir vigorously until you get a paste-like substance. Once your dredge is done, add to your chicken and toss. Set your chicken aside as we turn our attention to making our homemade orange chicken sauce. To start off our orange chicken sauce, we're going to need some orange juice. And you can use a fresh orange or you can use actual orange juice. Just beware that orange juice in itself has sugar in it, so it's naturally sweet. Then add the following: 1/4 of a cup of sugar, some vinegar, about 3 to 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, some garlic powder, and about a half to 1 full tablespoon of ginger. To finish, add chili flakes. Stir all of your components together until combined. At this point, taste and season your sauce. Make a cup of cornstarch slurry that's equal parts cornstarch and equal parts water. So half a cup of water and half a cup of cornstarch and stir vigorously. Now add your cornstarch slurry. Cut the heat off. Continue stirring your sauce until it becomes as thick as you need it to be. If it is too thin, add a little bit more cornstarch slurry. If too thick, add a little bit more water. Set aside your sauce and get ready to fry your chicken. Add your fry oil to a heavy bottom pot. Using a heat thermometer, get your oil up to 350 degrees. I prefer either using canola oil or peanut oil for this. Using a test piece of chicken, place inside of the hot oil and fry for 2 to 3 minutes. We're looking for a nice golden brown. Once the fry bubbles subside, remove the piece of chicken and test. If your chicken is fried to perfection, then great. Place inside of your fry bowl where you're collecting all of your fried chicken and begin your frying process. Don't add too much chicken as it will cool down the oil and make it harder to bring it back up to 350 degrees. As you may notice, I'm using chopsticks, and there's a reason why. 1, metal acts as a conductor for heat, so I might burn my hands if I'm using anything metal. 2, using chopsticks allows for me to easily put in each piece of chicken individually. By doing so, I prevent the chicken from clumping together to create one massive piece of chicken, so it fries completely all the way through. You're going to be here for a little while, so take your time, turn on some music, and get to frying. Now while your chicken is frying, you can cut up some fresh green onions. Green onions add a fresh flavor to the finished product and provide some color. Once all the orange chicken is done frying, in a separate bowl, add your chicken. From there, ladle on some of your orange sauce. Combine the orange sauce with the chicken by tossing. Lastly, salt and plate. Never forget our golden rule: season your food. And there you have it, orange chicken. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like down below and tell us, what do you want to see us make next? Also, check out our YouTube page, Tamago and Friends, for more recipes and soon to be additional content. With that being said, my name is Omar, this is Tamago and Friends. Thank you all for watching and have a great day. Bye.